Good evening, everyone. So we are Team Beige and I'm Alok Kothia. So my project partners are Shilu, Krishnatrai, and Fahad Sheikh. So basically, Shilu and Fahad mostly worked on the front end side of things, and they worked on integrating it with the backend. And basically, I worked in the backend side, like creating different APIs for the front end and managing the database. So what is the problem statement? So the problem statement that was given to us was to create a pixel perfect clone for Swiggy. And along with it, we have to integrate the online payment and live maps to it. So moving forward, these are the different technologies that we use in the front end and the back end. And moving forward, this is the list of the different challenges that we face. So initially, like we all were working remotely, and this was our first major collaborative project. So the first challenge was the team management, planning, and dividing the work accordingly, and assigning it to each team member. So that was the first major task for us. And second major task was to to pick out some of the specific functionality in Swiggy and create an end-to-end product out of them. And in the front end side of things, the challenges that we faced were like Mapbox and Razorpay integration, and managing cart functionalities for different users so that they can choose different dishes from different restaurants around different cities, right? And another challenge was like filtering and sorting of data and displaying it according to the specific pages. So these were the front end challenges. Now moving on to the back end challenges. Like the first initial challenge was to create the embedded MongoDB schema for different customers and different restaurants. And another challenge was to procure data for the restaurants of a particular locality. And another was to figure out geoqueries in MongoDB so that it can work seamlessly with the Mapbox that we are using in the front end. And the final hurdle that we faced was AWS hosting and SSL certification. So these are the overall challenges that our team faced during the project. So now I'll give you the overview of how the presentation is going to be, the demo of the presentation. So first we will start with the landing page. So here we will enter a particular locality and we will move forward to the restaurant page. So it will show the different restaurants of that particular locality, right? And then we will move towards step 3, that is menu particular restaurant that the user chose. So finally, we'll move towards the checkout page, and this is going to be the the overview of our project. So without any further delay, my project partners will walk you through the project. Thank you very much.
Hello, everyone. Good evening. So I'll take you through the first 2 steps of the landing page. So we started with the landing page, and the first challenge was to get the exact UI to boost our morale. So we started with the landing page of the Swiggy, and we tried to replicate it as much as we can. And we decided to go on with the Core Mangla, as we decided we have to decide for the one location. So when we go to the main page, as you see, there are different features if you will get on the Swiggy page. So here also there are different exclusive premium veg only and topics features. There is also one section where you will be seeing the see all section. You'll be seeing all the restaurants that is listed with the Swiggy. Also, here we have done sorting according to relevance, cost for two, rating, and other depends on the customer's convenience. If you go ahead above, little above, yeah, you'll see there are like for every category there are 5 more plus 2 more and plus 6 more cards. So if you click on that, it will take you to the all the enlisted restaurants in that particular category. Now for the flow, we'll sign in and we'll show you the next part of the portal. So we use the material UI drawer here to get the exact layout for the login and registration portal. So if a customer logs in, now suppose they decide to go on with one particular North Indian section. So you'll be getting North Indian, South Indians, Indian snacks, all these options, and also you'll see the cart is empty. So if I go on, suppose choose paneer tikka or any other stuff that a customer wants to have, the person can manage this not only in the main menu section, but also in the cart. It will manage the responses accordingly. And you will see the cart has some value. Now, suppose the mood changes and I don't want it. So I'll go back and I'll go for some different section. Suppose a burger, I want to have a burger. So a customer will see that the cart is automatically empty. That enables the customer to choose from only one restaurant. So we'll go on with few items here. And we are also managing a mini cart section on the nav. So there also customer can see what all they have put in the cart. From here we'll proceed to the checkout, and Fahad will take on from here. Thank you very much.
Hello guys, as you can see, this is the main checkout page. On the right hand side, you can see all the items that I have ordered just earlier, and this is the bill section. This is basically the bill section. We can see how much amount I have to pay in total, and for the main ordering part, as you can see that I have to log in first. So I have already logged in over here. You can see my details, my name and my phone number. The second step is to give an address. So I will click on the add new, and this will give me a drawer with a map. And I have to give my location, which it will take the geolocation. And now I have to give my home address, and so this is my home address. So I will click on home and save and proceed. So as you can see, my address is coming over here, and I want the food to be delivered over here on this address. So I will click over here, and the payment option will appear. For the payment, we are using the Razorpay. So on clicking on Razorpay, here I have to again put my phone number and my email address. On proceed, access net banking, and yes, on now on successful payment, it will show me that the order is successful. Order is confirmed, and it will redirect me to the restaurant page for if the customer wants to order from other restaurants and all. And as a customer, if I want to see my all the past orders, you can click over here. My name is available on the nav bar, and on clicking over here, my details will be shown. All my details, my phone number, my name, and my email address. And here are all the past orders that I have made already through this account. So a customer can review his order or reorder again, and all that is over here. So this is it, guys. So this is what we made.